Hello friends, welcome to CDL. In this tutorial we will see how to install 3D-Experience 21x along with CAA. So first of all, you have to download this native application. So I have all downloaded, and let's extract with the help of 7z. So once you extract with 7z, it will extract in one single file. Like here I mentioned here AM 3D-Experience native application. All file will copy in the one single folder. So you can check one by one where is the native application you can find. So we'll see one by one. I think we will get in sixth folder here. So here 3D Experience native application, go and find their setup. So once you find setups, right click and run as a admin. So once run as admin done, this window will pop up. Welcome to 3D Experience R21x installation program. Click next. Choose your installation directory. By default, you can keep in program file deso system, or else if you want to install in another directory, you can browse and select that one. Click next. Once we click next, this window will pop up. Select component you want to install in directory. So which component you want to select? So I will select here all the components because I needed all components. So it will check available space in your system and how much space required. So you can select one by one. So in my case, I need all the components. So I will select all, and let's see how much space it required. So you see it's required 19 GB space for installation in the selected directory. So once you click next, it will ask again install additional resources. So again it will take 3.16 GB it represent. So if you want you can select, if you don't want you can uncheck also. So additional component for the create feature or define component command, additional high resolution SDR files for ambient. So if you want, you can select these options or uncheck. So in my case, I have enough space, so I will select this option and I will click next. So here, this is the one more option. I want to install DS code and Windows Media Video 96. Select I have read and accept license terms. Click next. Again, click next. Once you click, it will ask whether you want to select Visual Studio 2017. In my case, I will install later, so I will not select here Visual Studio 2017. So click next. So it will ask select by default no legacy and click on install. So let's finish install. This installation start now. Let it finish. It's almost all installed. So here is the one option I want to launch 3D Experience application. So if you want, you can launch, or if you don't want to launch right now, so uncheck these options. So I will keep check and I will close. So it will start launching 3D Experience. So it will pop up on error here. So it will check whether your graphics card is compatible or not. But doesn't matter. Even though it's not compatible, it's okay. You can install and you can use 3D Experience as well. But Deso system, they have provided some standard graphics we have to use for better performance of 3D Experience. So click OK and go next. So once you click, this window will pop up. So you have to add platform here. Click on plus button. Give some platform name. There is the type also. By default it was the 3D Experience. So I will keep that one. Now I will give some random name here, 3DX. I will click next. So here in admin platform, it will ask which prototype you want, HTTP or HTTPS. So I will select HTTPS platform here. So again, it will ask host name, port, and root URL. So what you want. So you can give here host name. So if you don't know what host name, you have to type here, you can contact with your IT team and give port 443 and root URL will be 3D space. You can contact for host name with your IT team or your project manager. They will guide you, or they will suggest you which host name you have to use there. So once you mention, you can click finish. Your license file also in C drive, program data, Dassault system and licenses. Okay, let it launch here. It is showing connection successful, but still it is loading. Let's wait. So session node to be restarted. We apologize for inconvenience. Okay, so we will see this error later because I think we have not placed their correct license file. So that's why. If you want that license file, contact your project manager, or you can contact with your IT guy. So they will guide you. So we will see next our next installation, CAA. So I have setup already downloaded. So here 21x setup I have already downloaded. 3D Experience app dev suite. So just extract again this setup with the help of 7z. So it will extract in one single file. Here we have already one single file, so no issue. Even though if you extract with other application also. But usually whenever we have more than one file, that time you can select 7z. So it will extract all in single file. Let it finish. Yes, extraction done now. Now I will expand this folder. So go to folder. Here you will get so many folder. So you see there API for native application. So that is the CAA. So you will find there CAA setup inside this API native application. So this is the setup of CAA. You can right click and you can run as admin this setup. In this text file it mentions CAA native application 3D experience. So you will come to know what this setup is belongs to what. So now we'll check another setup. What was that in another file? So this is for API for simulation service development. So as of now, I don't want this setup, or I don't want this API for simulation, so I will not install. So this is API for web development. So this one also I don't need it here. This is for data model application, data model development. This is the RADE tool. So development tool set for native is the RADE tool. So you see that O3D, yeah, underscore SDB Windows means it's a RADE tool. So you can identify with the name. We can just launch this text file, so you will come to know which file, which setup belongs to which. So this is the just a random installer we don't need. So this is the VX server license. So if you want to install server in your same system, then you can install this server license. So I have already created video how to install server in our system. So I will go to now API for native application, native apps development. Just click and run this setup as a run as a admin. Just right click and run as a Okay, so once you click run as admin, so it will one window will pop up. So you can keep default path because wherever you have installed your 3D experience, so it should take that same path and your CA should install in the same directory wherever you have installed your 3D experience 20. So just click next here. So once you click, by default those option will be checked. So it will require 2.3 GB space. So click next and install. Let's finish this all installations. Let it finish. Okay, almost CA installation completed. Now you can close. If you want to just confirm, you can go to installation, go to your installation directory, C drive, program file, DSO system, and you see there all framework is already available here in the directory. So it means CA is installed successfully. Now go to RADE tool. So development tool set for native application. So just double click on this development tool set. So this is for RADE tool application. Now we have to install RADE tool after CA. Here you can check, double click on this, or you can run as admin. So one window will pop up here, welcome to 3D Experience installation program. Just click next. So here it's taking default path is wherever we have installed our CA and 3D experience. So here RAID tool will not install in the same directory where we have installed our CA and 3D experience. So you see I have keep this same option, so it's getting it's showing one warning message, failed to continue, cannot install media file development, because we should select other file here, just browse. So I have given this path. So in 86 we don't have DSO system and B40 B43 folder, but it will create once you given that path. Once you click next here, it will ask this SDV application developer. So check these options and click next. Keep default setting, no server setup, and click next. Now install. So now installation start. Let's wait for installation. Let it finish. Almost it's completed. 97%. Yes, now you can close. Now 3D experience, you can check or you can launch your license, whether it's fetching license or not. So in my case, this is disable option, so it's not fetching that server. So you can contact with your IT team or your project manager, or you can check your license file whether it's correct or not. In my case, license file is wrong, so that's why it's not taking. I guess I missed that license file name. So I hope you guys understood here how to install 3D Experience along with the CAA RAID tool. So we will meet in next video. Thank you.